Bantip yaki batmai haki jing pule ka judai bet ke jing yo jing hikai na gino hikai haki silam ai jing hikai baper badla banong baga jing stan jong gino hikai kedai ke bangi judai batnai ke jing burom namar ka ai ke bag ki don jing tip ki sambet chiki khna school jongki kum ke jing burom ke jing IT lot ki no hikai yela ke jong jing em na ka benta ke jing stan jong ke peteng ke banwan man laus nem la Rakhe ye ke Sngi kerpang jong gino hikai ha ka santarik upanai nailor kabadiru ka Sngi kha jong Radha Krishnan kaju korkom la pendon Burom ikene ke Sngi kerpang ki Nonghiaki hari Bhoi district dak office jong district school education officer bat ka office jong ka subdivisional education officer ya ka bala pendong ha parish hall Nongpoh kene ke jing Rakhe ya ka Sngi Burom ki Nonghiaki kadai ke bala Rakhe ha ka sin ke Hendri Pusau hapo gari ban Phuh Phieng ya ke Sngi Burom jong ki Nonghiaki uba Charles Marngar ubade MLA jong ka Mauhti constituency ulawan poi ha ke program han Nongpoh kumu Kongsan kabla long ha ke jingiran lang jong deputy commissioner ke district u Abhilash Baranwal u DSEO ke district u ba SB Bla ka joint director ka kong D Hujan u parish priest ka Nongpoh parish u Father Peters Ibli ki Nonghiaki jong school baper bat ki khena school hagene Sngi ladon ru ka jing ai sngewbha kum ka khusnam bat ka jing Burom ye ki Nonghiaki kibalala ban trei bha ye ka kam kum ki Nonghiaki kibal ai ye ka jing chakri ki bapaka kini ki Nonghiaki kibala yo ye ka jing pun ku Burom hagene Sngi ki kenthub ye ka kong streamlet khongwer ka badi ka Nonghiaki jong school Nehru Memorial Higher Secondary School Umsning ubabu Ronshan Pokhrel naga school Nongpoh Nepali Secondary School Nongpoh ubabu Jasful Walang naga school Center Village Government LP School Najirang
teacher awardee from the upper primary level is
to your students, you are a hero. You are a hero. Your dedication and passion for teaching have shaped countless lives. Your encouragement and wisdom make a lasting difference each day. Your influence goes far beyond the classroom, shaping the very future of our nation. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, your goodness, your guidance, and your unwavering commitment. As Malala Yousafzai reminds us, what book, what pen, what child, and what teacher can change. Today it is also my honor to celebrate our respected teachers who are receiving award. Srimati Synod, the assistant teacher of Nehru Memorial High Secondary School. Mr. Roshan Pokhrel, the headmaster of Nongpoh Secondary School, and also Jasful, the head teacher of Center Village, China. Teachers are more than just educators. They are mentors, guides, and nation builders. Your tireless efforts, though often unseen, nurtured dreams and built confidence of generations. On behalf of everyone present here, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, our audience. your recognition today is a testament to the value of your work and the gratitude of our society. Let me share a small story. One day, I request all the students kindly listen to a small story. One day, a little boy went to a bamboo cell. He saw a bamboo of many colors. Red, blue, green, and white color. He asked the bamboo seller, "Uncle, will the red bamboo will go this time?" And the bamboo seller replied, "Yes, my son. The red bamboo will go this time." Again, a little boy asked the bamboo seller, "Uncle,
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak banta ki awareness program jongpi phun Sngi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hndru yue ar nyau lai